welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk a little bit about Dogecoin, I want to talk about Coin, and the overall crypto market, and kind of where I think we're headed here in the medium to short-term price levels. So, guys, we are at 8,200 subscribers. Thank you so much for helping us break 8K. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And at 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded line NFT, which is worth about 2,500 bucks. Super excited to give it away. More giveaways to come, so subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So right now, the overall market, we're consolidating, guys. It's pretty awesome to see. But what I really want to point out here right now is we're seeing the liquidity flow out of Bitcoin and into some of the altcoins, which is pretty awesome to see right now. It's really important that we're following along this Bitcoin dominance level, because right now you'd expect Bitcoin to be going up and the liquidity to be being pulled out of the altcoins and going into Bitcoin to head towards that 50% Bitcoin dominance level. But obviously, we're not quite there yet. We're still in the usual cycle within a cycle where the money flows into Bitcoin, flows into the big blue chip, big market cap coins, then it flows into the smaller coins. However, I do want to say Dogecoin, guys, up 26.33%, up about 30% yesterday, but still up 26.24% because Elon Musk changed the Twitter logo to a Doge. Okay, the reason why this is important, guys, is because I've been talking about for the past couple months how I think that leading into this Bitcoin halving, a lot of these stars will align when it comes to regulation, the narrative of Bitcoin being the safe haven asset from banks collapsing. There's just so many things that I think will align with the Bitcoin halving around that time, that it could be a very, very explosive bull market. But let's take a closer look at Dogecoin, because I have a crazy bull market prediction for you on Dogecoin, because I really, really do believe that a 10x off of the bottom where we were at about 7 cents, is probably inevitable. I think that 70 cents is an easy target next bull market for Dogecoin. It's just the meme coin that doesn't want to go away. People love the meme coins, especially when you have the richest man in the world flaunting it around and joking around with it and changing the Twitter logo to a Dogecoin. It's very, very interesting. But, I really do believe that a 70 cents Dogecoin is extremely easy, and I'm not kidding when I say that. When it comes to meme coins, that usually I try to stay away from them, but I do believe that 70 cents Dogecoin is extremely possible come this next bull market, especially with Elon Musk, the way that he's been basically pushing the tiger around and poking the bear. We're having all this crypto regulation come out, and then Elon Musk goes and changes the Twitter logo to a Dogecoin. It's a very iconic, classic Elon Musk, and I love to see it. But, guys, be careful. It did just pump 30%. If you want to get into a long position or a short position off of this, feel free to go in the description box below. Click the BitGet link or the Femex link. Get an $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet. All you got to do is click the link, sign up, deposit some money, open some trades, and you can get up to $8,000. Pretty crazy. But please leverage trade your own risk, guys. It's a great tool, but you need to practice to be able to use it correctly. I personally am not looking to enter Dogecoin right now. I like to enter these meme coins when we get a little bit closer to the bull market. And, I was talking to CryptoKip yesterday, and I told him, we were talking back and forth about, are we in a bull market or a bear market? We were arguing semantics a little bit. Because let's take a look over at Bitcoin right now, because technically we could be at the end of a bear market, or we could be at the beginning of the bull market. Did the bull market start based off of the trend change, the bullish divergence? What really, in my mind, though, I believe that this is going to be the year of accumulation leading into this Bitcoin halving. I think we're going to be trading sideways here in a range between 19,500 and probably even low end 40,000. And if we were trading sideways for an extended period of time, like let's say a year, 19,500 to 40,000, that's a big move. That's a big move. But when we will break past that and when the Bitcoin halving comes, let's say that the bull market, my conservative price target for Bitcoin is about 100 and 120,000. However, 160,000 is kind of where it makes sense based on the previous events, based on the percentage gains plus diminishing returns, cycle over cycle. But when you look back, it will be obvious. You'll say, oh, well, we started the bull market because the downward trend stopped. But as of right now, I think that trading sideways for an extended period of time, like back here in 2019 to the Bitcoin halving, we were still in the bull market, or we were still in the bear market, excuse me. And I didn't really think that we became into the bull market until we started making these big moves to the upside. However, you could argue that the bull market started back here, which was off the bottom in 2019, which is what we're getting. This basically the same movements. It's so uncanny how these Bitcoin 4-year cycles are. It's kind of crazy that they're so similar. They're so similar. It's almost like the 4-year cycle is a thing, even though every time something drastic happens, people want to say that the 4-year cycles are non-existent and the 4-year cycle's broken. The 4-year cycle's broken, but when you zoom out, it usually always comes back home and it gets back to the 4-year cycle. And that being said, I think we're going to be trading sideways for the next 11 months between a large price range, however. Which that means, in my opinion, I still think we're in a bear market at that point. However, I do think the bottom is in, unless we have some crazy capitulation event, but I don't really see that happening. I don't think that. I think that the sellers are gone, and I don't see us coming down much further. Especially, let's take a look over the S&P 500 because right now, guys, we're getting massive bullish divergence on the monthly chart for the S&P 500, which is massive, massive, massive bullish movement here. Let's look over the weekly. I mean, I love to see this resumption off of this once heavy, heavy resistance level. It's turning into support, guys. It's turning into support. Like I've been saying, if we break above the $4,200 on the S&P 500 and then can break above the 43.35, I mean, now we're talking the bull market's back. The bull market's back on. And a lot of that really, really depends on the Federal Reserve if we start printing more money again. And we have started printing money. Don't be fooled. Just because we're raising rates, don't think that we're not printing money. We have printed a lot of money to bail out these banks. These banks are feeling pressure. That's what I've been saying. The way that all of these events are happening at once and the way the world is right now, I think that decentralization is going to be moving in faster and faster than you guys think, and leading into the Bitcoin halving, which is about 11 months away. Don't be surprised for some fireworks, guys. Don't be surprised for some fireworks. Don't be surprised if we make a move to soon after. Don't be surprised if it doesn't take 15 months to hit a peak. Don't be surprised, because I think that based on where the Bitcoin halving is, based on the events that are happening in the world, I think decentralization is going to get pushed harder, and I think that these banks are going to keep feeling pressure. The Federal Reserve is going to be in a sticky spot. They're going to have to print money. The U.S. dollar is going to decrease in value because it's going to be inflated more and more and more. They're not going to be able to raise rates fast enough because when they raise the rates, the banks will feel pressure. The Fed is in a very, very sticky spot. Don't be surprised if we have some fireworks leading into this Bitcoin halving, guys. But, if you like this type of content, please like this video and subscribe to the channel right now. Be patient, guys. Let's take a look at Crocoin a little bit, because right now Crocoin is trading sideways. It's trading sideways, and that's okay. That's okay. In my opinion, like I'm saying, guys, another year, 11 months of trading sideways. 11 months of trading in a range between 19,500 and low end 40,000, in my opinion. Something crazy could happen. There could be fireworks, but the highest probability in my mind is that we trade in that channel sideways for another year. Guys, that means there's accumulation It's an accumulation zone, and time is on your side. If you have projects you truly believe in, right now might not be the best time to be putting your money into altcoins, but it is a good time to be deploying capital into projects you truly believe in. Personally, right now, I'm buying Bitcoin. Not financial advice, guys. You follow your own, come up with your own strategy, do your own research, do what works best for you. But quite frankly, for me right now, buying Bitcoin is the answer. And I do have altcoin positions. I'm going to be buying altcoins. Just right now does not seem like the appropriate time. However, this is a fantastic accumulation zone for CRO. If I didn't have a huge bag of CRO right now, I wouldn't be. I would be probably buying right now. But I have a very large bag, and I'm accumulating more CRO through my staking on the CRO DeFi app. So really, I'm not looking to buy here. But if I was underexposed, this would be a great buying opportunity between 5.5 cents and 10 cents. Guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video, click the join button. You get these awesome custom loyalty badges, as well as these custom emojis that you can use during our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And on top of that, you get access to our private Discord where there's NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, there's trading signals, and a more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. And on top of that, guys, you get 10 additional entries each month to winning this loaded line NFT, which we're so excited to give away. That's all I got. Thank you guys. Bye.